Hi guys, Irin Dezen here and welcome to my new acrylic pouring tutorial. Today my color palette is just amazing, I think, and the base color I use is the custom color, such a lavender. I get it from our left paint mixed with titanium white. This pastel violet tone just mesmerizing me, and what do you think about this color? So, I'm working on 12 by 24 inch canvas. I want to use lots of iridescent colors to get cells in my painting. And here I make sure that all the edges of the painting are totally covered with the color. And the first color on the floor is nearly same with the base color, but more cool. And this is blue violet, ultramarine violet, deep gold, and I think gold with violet is just an amazing color combination. And this is iridescent violet blue. And the custom color again, such a warm violet. And this is blue violet mixed with titanium white. Quinacridone rose light. Red violet light. This is iridescent gold by PBO. More blue violet. And more iridescent violet blue. And as you see on the top, the flow is thinner than at the bottom, so I add more colors here. And more lavender near the flow to help the colors moving better. Touching the paint, and let's blow it out. Oh, the colors are amazing. I'm just in love with this color combination. I even didn't expect that it will be so gorgeous. I think this painting needs just a few little more details. And let me show you the dry result. Here it is, dry and covered with 2 layers of epoxy resin, and I'm really in love with the color combination. All these details are so amazing. And what do you think? Please let me know in the comments. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like that. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.